What if the present moment is more than just a fleeting instant? Today I invite you on a time journey, not in the past and not in the future, but right into the now. And there you will find something remarkable, a quality of time that can open up new dimensions, the time beyond time. Once again, rhythm is the key. It helps you to let go of thoughts and arrive fully in the present moment. A moment when truly felt does not pass, it stays. Many people believe that rhythm is just for musicians or dancers, DJs or composers, but that is not true. Rhythm connects you directly with your nervous system. If you are curious what this time beyond time really is, stay with me until the end, because there I will guide you again through two simple exercises that will help you to experience time beyond time for yourself. Hi, I'm Reinhard Flatischler, and I love sharing everything about rhythm with you. If you value my work, subscribe to the channel. It's free for you and a big support for me as I grow our YouTube community. And most importantly, if you want to experience how rhythm can free you from linear time, sign up for the free beginner's course that is linked below. Linear time helps you structure your life. It supports planning, growth, and learning. And yes, that has value. But constant orientation towards past and future comes at a cost. It creates stress, it creates boredom, and it makes us feel like we are racing against time. But what is time really? Is it just a line from yesterday to tomorrow? In physics, it's called the fourth dimension. In ancient tradition, time is seen differently as a cycle or even as an illusion. Ramana Maharshi once said, "Time is just an idea, there is only the now." And Heisenberg added, "Time isn't a sequence, it's a field." In our normal time perception, we jump from one event to the next. But we often miss the spaces in between, the pauses between thoughts, the silence between words. Because the mind is already preparing the next move. Imagine two poles, past and future. What I want to explore with you lies between them or beyond them. Is presence just a moment? Or is it eternity? Because everything we experience is always now and never not now. Stress and boredom are also two poles. Something that has not enough time or something that has too much time. And in between, there is timelessness, a state where stress and boredom disappear. A state of presence, of simply being. When you step out of linear time, something extraordinary happens. You experience reality without judgment, without fear, without pressure, without filters. Time becomes unity. And when you are in this state and you look at the tree, creation is looking at itself through your eyes. But how do you get there? When you move rhythmically, the repetition tunes your brain into a nonlinear state of awareness. The brain doesn't see time, it creates it through attention, through sensation, and through rhythm. By tapping your foot, for example, to rhythm, your nervous system starts predicting the next beat, and that changes how you perceive time. All cultures have used rhythm to shift perception and quiet the ego. And when the ego stops judging, time loses its meaning. Rhythm is the key that opens the door from chronological time to timeless presence. It's a bridge to expand awareness, a path beyond separation into unity. So here we are now. I'll guide you through 2 simple rhythm sequences. In the first part, you will be guided into 3 equally spaced steps with your feet, while at the same time you clap twice, and that brings you into a polyrhythmic space, a primal rhythmic movement. Notice if stress arises. Does your mind feel like it can't keep up? Stay centered in the present moment. And remember, rhythm always repeats. And if it doesn't work right away, wait. It will return and your body will find the rhythm. This part is about staying grounded even when your mind feels pressure.
Ta, ki, ta, ki. Please
ta,
speak them
ki,
really short
ta,
so you can hear the
ta,
interval,
ki,
space.
ta, ki,
And once
ta,
you feel that groove, please
ta,
connect those 2 syllables with
ta,
2 steps.
ki,
Ta right, ki left, ta right, ki left.
ta,
And now please allow
ta,
each
ki,
and every step
ki,
to arrive on the floor,
ki,
feeling how you land.
ki, ta,
Once
ki,
you feel that walking
ki,
movement,
ta,
let's bring in
ta,
3 syllables. Ga, ma, la, ga, ma, la. Ga, ma, la, ga. And as you
ma,
feel
la,
how the syllable ga goes 1 time to the right,
la,
and the next time
ga,
the syllable goes
ma,
through your left foot,
la, ga,
please put
ma,
that step that's connected with
ga,
ga a little bit in front. Ga, ma, la, and ga, ma.
la,
Now,
ga,
we are already moving forward
ga, ma,
to the preparation of our
ga,
2/3 polyrhythm.
Ga.
And for that,
ma,
we're bringing in
ga,
the double time of
La.
this gamala,
ga,
which of course
Ma.
sounds
la,
like gamala, 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 gamala. Now it's time to bring in the claps, starting with the ga when the right foot moves forward. Gamala, gamma. Again, ga. The next ga is situated between steps. Gamma, step, ga, step. Gamala. So take time to feel gamma, step, ga, step. And point on this second ga. Gamala, ga. And whenever you feel that gamala, gamala, feel free to clap gently on the second gamala. Already now, what we have is 2 claps, gamala, gamala, and 3 steps. So it is 1, 2, 3, and at the same time in the claps we have 1, 2, gamala, gamala.
In the second part of the experience, the rhythm stays almost unchanged. Notice if your mind starts to wander. Is it seeking for more stimulation? Do you start to feel bored? And if so, shift your focus into your body. Feel the steps, feel the breath, feel the voice. Thinking can happen in the past or in the future, but sensing can only happen now.
Kammala, kammala.
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 how was it for you? Were you able to become still? Share your experience in the comments. I love to hear how it felt for you. If you like to go deeper, join the free beginners course. There you'll find more exercise just like this. Wherever you are on your journey, I hope that has inspired you to explore the timeless presence that's always available. And if this video touched you, subscribe and activate the bell to get more insights regularly. The link to the free beginner course is just below. And I look forward to seeing you there.